Here's how to change your Shopify store name. There's a couple spots we're going to need to look at, but the main one is your actual store name. It's the store that you'll see in the upper right hand corner of your dashboard, and it will be labeled right there. So to change that, we're going to go to the settings. That's down here in the lower left. We're going to click on settings, and inside of that, we're going to see this store contact details. That is where you find my store, or whatever your store is currently titled, and you click on it and you can actually change the store name right here. And so I'm going to change it to say My Cool Store, and at the top we see a save button pop up. So we click save, and now our store is named My Cool Store. You can actually see that in the upper right hand corner. It changed up there. But there's one spot that you need to make sure that you also change this, just depending on what you have. And that's back on the dashboard screen. So we're going to just click the Shopify logo, and then down here we see Online Store. Click on that and go to Preferences. Inside of Preferences, you're going to see some social sharing stuff down here, and that's where you would want to change like the SEO title or the homepage title, like how it's shared either in Google search results or on social platforms. And so depending on what you have here, either it's going to be auto-generated if you don't have a page title in there, like Google will auto-generate it, or you can type in a title, like maybe I wanted it to be My Cool Store, that shows up in Google search results for the home page. And I would save that then. And so that's one spot there, and you can see maybe an example of how it's going to be shared on social. And then if you want to change the domain name, either the free Shopify domain name or connect your own domain, you would go down to settings again, and inside of here you're going to find domains down here on the left hand side. We click on that and we can do a couple things. We can change your myshopify.com domain, and that's that part of the domain that's in front of myshopify.com. And you can also buy or connect a domain as well. And you can earn $20 in subscription credits toward future bills if you do purchase a domain name. But we can change myshopify.com domain if we want. So, if I wanted to change this to My Cool Store, which there's no way it's going to be available, it would be mycoolstore.shopify.com. Or maybe it's My Cool Store 1, 2, 3, 4. How many of those do you think there are? 5, 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is available. I think we're going to add that domain. So now that's My Cool Store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's changed to that. That's how you can change your store name on Shopify.